Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI, and if you're in the market for a retractable hose, this one from AYURA is a great option. I have to tell you, this is one heavy-duty unit. This is definitely the quality you want in something that's going to be outdoors most of the time. It makes me confident that it'll be able to withstand the cold, but especially the heat that's going to be here soon. I really appreciate that it came with everything so I could get it set up in no time. Literally, one of the most hassle-free hoses I've used in a while. It came with a nice spray nozzle, so I didn't have to buy that separately, and all the gaskets and connections are already included. I love that it's versatile too, in that you can mount it on your wall, but if you're looking for a renter-friendly option like us, you can also use it on the ground. You just have to make sure you lay it on its flat side. I have to admit, I was concerned about how it would affect the water pressure since the hose is wrapped up in the unit, but I had no issues and no leaks from any part. The hose is 100 feet, so it's long enough to reach any part of our car and even the other side of our house to our back porch. Now that is crazy, but I'm not complaining. The best part for me though was not having to stress about where to store the hose. Wrapping it up, which you know is very annoying to do, or anything like that. This literally took care of all of that for me. Seriously, you have to give this hose a try, but that's just my point of view.